Hello, this is Tom Psillas, CEO of wetcrow.com. Yeah, it's funny because I had to put this video out there. It's called this video I'm putting out now. It's called "Let's Ruffle Some Feathers and Clean House." I mean, that's kind of cute, isn't it? And this is designed for all you house cleaning companies. I mean, you're out there working hard. If you have business, I know. Jim, this is for you too. Jim is a good friend of mine. He's one of our biggest service provider in Yonkers, New York area, north Metro New York, and he's getting a lot of business from us. And here's the thing. I can't say this enough. He used to buy leads from Angelus, and he said it cost me more to buy the leads than the business I was getting, because I was getting, every lead was costing me $50, and it took me 10 leads to get one job. So imagine that. It cost $50. It cost me $500. That's 10 leads times $50 to get one cleaning customer. I lost money on them. And most of these were one-time things. They're typically, somebody's moving out of their home. They want the house cleaned out for the new homeowner, or that was required by the realtor. The realtor said the deal won't close unless the house is spick and clean. I'm going to check it out, make sure everything is there. They were using him, and he said I was losing money. I got to the point I finally had to stop that because I was losing money, and I started. Then I bumped into you. You said, and it was kind of funny we were talking about it because I was looking for a service like yours, and it didn't exist. I mean, literally, we're the only one doing what we're doing. We define predefined services, whether they're like standard cleaning, deep cleaning is you do a little more thorough cleaning, because sometimes you need it once a month, maybe twice a month, depending on what your situation is. And then you have the move in, move out cleaning, which is very popular with a lot of our cleaning businesses that we have signed up. So that's the one I wanted to focus on. Because even with that, you're going to spend more money. You're going to spend probably $400 or $500. But here's the thing: if you post a thing, you post a request for cleaning your house, right? That lead is sold. You're going to get 50 calls as well. So meantime, the last thing you want, you're waiting for your realtor to call. You're waiting for the mortgage company to call back. You're trying to get the deal closed by next Friday. By this Friday, here it is. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. I need to get that done. And meantime, these stupid, cleaning people are calling from all over the place. And I say, I already got somebody. They're coming. They're coming today. They're cleaning right now as I speak. And this is what happens all the time when you use these lead generation companies. They sell the leads sometimes 40 times. And I know that Angelus does that because they have like sister companies. They got Home Advisor. That's how it started. Remember, it was Service Magic at first. Their reputation was so badly tarnished with all the contractors and the home service companies, they stopped buying leads because they were getting screwed. The leads were bogus. Okay, and sometimes it was the contractor's fault because they weren't calling them back right away. So if I'm a contractor, I want to get business. I'm going to make sure I have somebody on the phone. As soon as I get that lead, I'm going to be on that phone calling that customer right away because the first guy that calls is got a 70% chance they're going to get the job. Don't ask me why. It's just the way it works. Okay, so so that was the only way lead generation used to work. If I was first to answer the call, I'd get the customer, just the way it is. But most of us are busy. We're a one-man show. We go out there. We're under. I'm under the thing installing a vanity, and then I get a lead in my email. But by the time I get to it, it's already 2 hours. Guess what? Somebody already sold the customer. Somebody already made an appointment. Maybe they're already out there and they already sold the customer because people look at it. If it sounds reasonable, it probably is. Okay, $200. Okay, I'll pay that. You want to get the job done. You don't have time to mess around, and that's how most of our customers they like our service the most because now they see the service, they see what it costs. We have a happiness guarantee. They see it, they book it, they're ecstatic, and that's the way you should be. You should be ecstatic. So again. If you're a cleaning company, I'd recommend you definitely sign up with us and let your customers see what we do, see what the pricing is, and they book you, and you're off and running. You don't have to worry about paying for leads anymore, and not getting them or not getting to them fast enough, and then you don't have to worry about 40 people calling you. Well, if you're a cleaning company, you're going to get people calling you. Oh yeah. callbacks or whatever. You're going to get. Oh, I'm sorry. If you're the customer, you're going to get 40 calls back from there. And if you're a customer, you know what? The last thing you want is 40 calls from 20 or 30 different, handyman companies or cleaning companies. You don't want that. So let's be real. So let's ruffle some feathers and clean house. Let's do it. Okay. Have a great day.